Dr. Fareen madam will give basic introduction. These are the, see, my idea is again like CBDC, outcome based activity should be there. So whole day जो हमने किया उसका outcome क्या है सर? अगर वहाँ पे कुछ लैंड हुआ कि नहीं हमको कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? तो ये अगर इसके जवाब देते हैं कि नहीं देते हैं तो हमको मालूम पड़ेगा कि हमारी एक्सरसाइज हुई है कुछ फ्रूटफुल है कि नहीं है. So I will invite Dr. Fareen madam to say, and after that there are 3-4 questions came for Dr. Jain sir and some Dr. Adil sir also. I will ask that question and then we'll conclude the session. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I know you guys are very much hungry, but we'll have a short quiz round. So the rules for the quiz are: the QR will be displayed on the screen. All you have to do is scan the QR code by Google Lens, and after that, code will be displayed. So you have to just copy the code. And I request all of you to write your genuine names so that we can identify the rightful winner. And for each question, 15 seconds will be allotted, and in all 3 minutes will be allotted. And winners will be announced after both the sessions. So here is the QR code. Prize is also there, so I request you all to write your correct names, please. So scan this QR code, everyone, by Google Lens. After scanning the code, please enter the PIN. I hope the PIN is visible to everyone. The PIN is 465764. Come on, fast. The winner will get an exciting prize. So answer accordingly. So let me announce the prize also. The prize will be, the first one will get 2000 rupees, and the second one will get 1500, and third position will get 1000 rupees. So hurry up. Fastest finger first will catch the prize. Maximum answers in this time. Come on, fast. Okay, first question. So now we have 346 participants. So we are now going to start the quiz. All the best, everyone. 348, 349 players right now. I request all of you not to refresh or back the screen, otherwise they'll be exited from the quiz. first question is, we got well done everyone. Next question. 249 people answered this question. "15 seconds per question, so answer accordingly and fastly." We got 309 answers. Well done, everyone. Next question. Everyone will get to know whether the answer is right or not on the screens itself. Good one. Let me remind you once again, it's fastest finger first, so answer fastly. Let me remind you once again, it's fastest finger first. So, and no, please don't exit anyone. Don't change your screen. Next question will be visible in a short span of time. The next question is, we have how many epidemic-related publications have been produced by CCRH till now? It was mentioned by our renowned Dr. Subhash Kaushik sir. Let's test how many of you have remembered this one. The next question is, what was the title of Dr. Subhash Kaushik sir seminar? Faster everyone, it's fastest finger first. Good one, everyone is performing so good. This topic was addressed by Dr. Adil sir. Well done everyone. According to seminar discussion by Dr. Adin Chimthanawala, a common underlying cause behind chronic heart failure is, the options are hypertension, asthma, tuberculosis, diabetes. Fastest. Everyone please fast. Well done, everyone. 257 persons have answered it correctly. This is the last question. It's fastest finger first. Last question of morning session. The full form of RISE program. Read well and answer nicely. 3, 2, 1, and time's over. Good one, everyone. So we got Jadeja. Who is that Jadeja who has got 9 questions correct? First is Nipun Singh Dabi. This is part 1 result. We'll have the part 2 result after afternoon sessions. Who is this Jadeja? Thank you.